Three persons held with banned tablets and drugs worth rupees 8 crores. CDF and KFA organizes scientific feeding management of cattle training in Tekelangchun. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. In a major success of the Karbi Anglong police, 3 drug peddlers were arrested along with 3 kg of banned tablets and 2 kg of drugs while conducting special checking at Manja. Acting on tip of Manja police sleuths on Saturday intercepted 2 cars on National Highway 37 and discovered huge amount of drugs worth about rupees 8 crore in the market. The accused were arrested were identified as Binod Prasad, Ganesh Shah and Dinesh Kumar from 2 different Alto cars which originated from Imphal and was bound for Guwahati. Manja OC Jitomoni Deka said that they have detained 3 persons and a case has been registered with the Manja police station. In another seizure which took place at Dilai, while regular checking at Dilai check gate by ASI Jiten Gogol and staff of Dilai PS, a 6-wheeler truck bearing registration number MN017632 has been intercepted, and after thorough search of the vehicle, total number of 97,000 Yaba tablets containing 10 big packets which was concealed in rice and secret cabin of the truck were recovered during the check. In this connection, 2 persons identified as Romi Kanta Singh, son of Ibol Singh of Khonjong village from Thaubal district in Manipur, and Biken Singh, son of Tomba Singh of Iring Bend village under Kakching police station of Kakching district in Manipur have been arrested. Bijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of assisting villagers towards economic self-independence through cattle farm, the Cattle Demonstration Farm Manja organized a training program on scientific feeding management of cattle in Tekelangchun in association with the Karbi Farmers Association on Saturday. The program in Tekelangchun was held at Serdihun Club. Veterinary Dr. David Bordoloy attended a training program as resource person and was accompanied by veterinary student Akash Timung and as guest by KFA Central Committee President Tinku Inti, General Secretary Soran Singh Rongpi and Publicity Secretary Harsing Rongpi, among others. During the program, resource persons, while stressing on cattle rearing and management in scientific manner, said that farmers and villagers could reap benefits only when they adopt scientific methods in their works. He also said that farming consists of not only agriculture and edible crops, but it also includes rearing cattle, including cows, oxen, goats, pigs, among others. The resource person said that adoption of scientific methods could only help individuals or families in helping them become self-independent.
Tekelangchun Serdihun Club along into Karbi Farmers Association, Lapan Poda Farm Department, Lapan Cattle Demonstration Farm Manja. Jalan pet si bini itu Tekelangchun arada panesi babu pangreng si aseki lapan ke Chainong pangreng aseki ta si bipono mate cerap to amai bipono.
Poda Farm aru Cattle Demonstration Farmer utugot jikhon awareness বা সজাগতা সভা অনুষ্ঠিত হল তাতে ঘাঁহৰ খেতি কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে আৰু ঘাঁহৰ প্ৰয়োজনীয়তা কি কেটেল ফাৰ্মিঙৰ লগত এইখিনি কথা বুজাই দিয়া হৈছে লগতে গৰুৰ যিটো লাম্পি স্কিন ডিজিজ হৈ আছে তাৰো এটা এৱাৰনেছ দিয়া হৈছে
পিৰি লদাক Tekelangchun rata tumpan nilitum kar bisa dikia song tum pen dap mai padupon lo so mai lo nilitum padupon ke tum kar biara rata tum ki pangreng aki matela chainong pen danglok di pangreng phaka pangrengan ko pen ko son si litum hemhum ki pangreng nanjima lahaya puthak scientific way of cultivation lo mare ring lo.
During the day, the organizers also distributed machine sprayers to the identified beneficiaries. Samsing Inti from Dogmaka for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiomapik kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi kechogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akuladalong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akuladalong pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humridam ikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adum.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. In a mission to get a clear fact about a condition, the functioning and services of health centers across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong Live on Saturday visited Pudum Pukhuri Sub-Center, during which the VDP and villagers told about the several problems and existing condition of the health center of their area. Falling under Haroghat block and Langhin constituency, healthcare staff used to come once in a week in the past, but has stopped coming to the center for the past 1 year, due to which the villagers, especially the women and children of the area, are facing its consequences. The women and children of the area have now deprived of healthcare facilities and care, resulting in the decrease in their health status and immune system. Locals said that there is nothing left to tell about the health center, as the staffs had stopped coming for their duties, making life more difficult for the people of that area. In addition to this, village development president alleged that the government had sanctioned funds for construction of a bridge inside their area, but was never constructed due to misappropriation of funds by one nurse identified as Joymoti Mozumdar, who was a staff of that health center.
এনেকুৱা দলঙৰ কথা আগতে PM ছাৰৰ ওচৰত আপত্তি কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু আজি প্ৰায় 10 বছৰ আগতে এই কালভাৰ আনি থৈছিল, কিন্তু তেনেকুৱা ফিটিং কৰি দিয়া হোৱা নাই। কালভাৰ এনে পৰি আছে এতিয়াও। এতিয়া ইয়ালৈ মানে নাৰ্ছ বা কোনোবা ডাক্তৰ আহিলেও সোমাব নোৱাৰে, অসুবিধা সেইটোৱে আৰু কোনোবাই কিবা এটা পেচেণ্ট আহিলেও সোমাব নোৱাৰে, অসুবিধা।
The villagers had urged upon the concerned authority for visit and immediate measures on the matter in the greater interest and health and wellness of the people of the entire area. Sarpang Rikathar's report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. Our Karbi Anglong Live team have on Saturday visited the Bhelughat Health and Wellness Center to know about the medical service provided to the people of the area by the center. The condition of the health center of this area is also quite appalling, like several other health centers across the district. Visiting the Bhelughat Health and Wellness Center, our Karbi Anglong Live team had talked with CHO Dr. Manik Ronghang and his staff. During the visit, the health officer revealed that there is no boundary wall, clean drinking water, cleanliness workers and lab technician in the center.
शिक्षा के दो मैंने बाउंड्री वाल हो बोलते नहीं तुम दा एंपियरों की मीरा की दोस्त मेला वाल परमानेंट का वे बना जो वेंग बेदा
नहीं तुम लान तंका पैसा सब की तुम के काम डॉक्टर sidang ibu.
Kalau mana ini betul betul kita nak jual pun.
Dadak doai pina long ma.
Long.
Dorful long gadi.
He further informed that there is no transport facility like ambulance in a wellness center, creating great difficulty to the locals. Situation becomes more serious when critical cases arrives. The health officer and locals have urged Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khorsing Rongpi and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority for providing a fully equipped hospital and also immediately appoint lab technician, cleaner and boundary wall. Apart from that, he also urged for provision of clean water. Samsung English report from Dokmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.